Hello guys, it's your girl Lucy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you're so much welcomed. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And today I'm back again with another video. I'll just show you guys. It's so warm. I don't know, you will keep on hearing the same sentence. It's really warm. Now I just want to show you what I want to prepare for, to cool off and yeah, summer vibes and all that. You know what I mean? So anyways, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Yes, so guys, let's do this. I have a guest and he will say hello to you. So guys, let me introduce the one and only.
Hello guys.
Okay, so that's the mzee wa nyumba Maish. So anyways, so guys, without wasting much of your time, let me go straight to the video. So guys, I'll show you the ingredients, what I'll be using. I have fresh strawberries. They are already washed. And I have, let me do the other way around. I have, it's called cacao. I'm not advertising anything here. Or chocolate, let me just call it chocolate. I have 2 glasses and straws. I have 2 dhani, madena homa. I have 2 forks. What else? I have eno etagwo atia, etagwo Schlagsahne in German. Schlagsahne etagwo ti sour cream, etagwo do magai marito rinire piu. I don't know, but it's called Schlagsahne. But you know the ones, oh, ice and sugar. No, this not guy. Oh, guy. Mamboy na choma. And I have milk. I have 2 packets, since I don't know if this one will be enough. What else? And I have this cake here. This one. In as much I want to lose weight, I think for now I'll say mbinguni tutapewa mwili mpya. So let me just go straight to that. There are these 2, let me say 2 queen cakes. And it has a carrot on top of it. It's also edible. So that way and that way. And then I'm doing somehow Kyundudo style. That way. I think the milk will be enough. No, I need the second packet. So that way. And also, I don't know what's always wrong with me. I always jaza vitu till they are overflowing, but I think that is enough. And then here's our chocolate. That way, I think 2 spoons will be enough. That way, that makes that one big spoon, eating spoon. That way. Then there's this cake. And that way. Then this way. Boris yanguke. Todo igikego watitawera. And then guys, so far so good, looks good. Now I'll take my fresh Edbeer, that's German, oh my god, strawberries. Well, let me tell you, my friend, I don't think we'll eat all of them, since but they're not a lot. way. Guys, you're almost there. I don't think this is the right thing to mix the chocolate. Let me just use a spoon that way, because you guys, it's so warm. I think there's no need of me warming the milk, so that way hapo pengine mundu negwikorogera. Maybe I can translate. I just meant I don't need to stir a lot. Everyone will do each end. So, and then I'll just place this one here and then this one here. Something else, don't forget this. Oh my god, I hope I'll be able to open this because this thing is stress sometimes. Go from yeah, wait, and then okay, go ahead, my friend. I really want to lose weight, but you guys, with such, I don't know how this will happen, but so far so good. But yeah, I'm not yet done. So guys, I'm almost done. It's something you can make really quick. It doesn't take much time. So there you go. So guys, it's so delicious. So guys, as you've seen, it did not take a lot of time. And then there's this cold drink. You guys, you know, with this kind of weather, this is the best thing. Really cold. It is so good. And the strawberries. Okay, go ahead. So yeah, guys. Oh, let me show you something else. Every time I go for a walk with my princess, we go hunting for flowers. Okay, they are now 3 days old. Let me show you. But you guys, if there's something I don't like flowers, like flowers for birthday you give me flowers, but roses, I love roses. So let me just turn the camera so that you can see. This is what I got. How beautiful, how beautiful, how beautiful. Oh my god. Ooh. Of course they're no longer fresh. I'll have to go get new, but yeah, I'll go get fresh ones. And these ones here, they are now a week old, so they just fall off, and like these ones, and instead of throwing them away, I just took them and threw inside the Blumenvasen. That's German, of course. The flower vase. Okay, and then I got the new ones, but now they are also not so fresh. Yeah, so yeah, so you guys, this is the last presentation. This makes so good. I want this tastes so good. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for staying till this moment. That's some, you know, a little something small but summer vibe thing, because like everything is cold. Let me see. So the strawberry, the cake also was in the fridge. I haven't yet tasted the queen cake, but I bet it's so delicious, because I think this is the 4th time I'm eating them, and they are made of carrots and I don't know, some other ingredients. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment what you think, and then yeah, I'll meet you in my next one. Bye. Thank you. God, I cannot cut this thing. What's happening? You guys, are you still here? Okay, bye.